Cool. So, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be solving a new problem, still within the realm of geometry. It's going to be finding the area of a triangle. So, let's first list out the area formula for a triangle. Or actually, before we get into that, let's derive the formula for a triangle first. So, first up, how do we find the area of a triangle? We can start simple. How do we find the area of a rectangle? Pretty simple. Rectangle, if we divide it like it's like a pizza and we divide into like pieces, if we count the pieces like a pizza 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the area would be 16. Now, counting is tedious, especially if we divide the pizza into even more pieces, like so. Would definitely be a lot of work to do that. So, what we can do is we can find how many rows there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows, and each of these rows has 8 units, or like 8 pieces. Terrible 8 right there. To make this even simpler, what do we want to try to find the area of just one of these rows? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the way this kind of works is we just find the area for one of the rows, which is like a smaller rectangle. In this case, the area is 8. It's one row, and there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the area, instead of having to count everything, this is gone now that we divide our pizza into more pieces, is going to be 4 times 8, because each row has 8 units, and that is equal to 32. Now that we know, well, with this, we can kind of see now, to find the area of a rectangle, you take 4 times 8. So 4 is the width of the rectangle. 8 is the length. L for length, W for width. So we multiplied 4 times 8. So the area of a rectangle, we can kind of see, is W times L. So how does this relate back to the triangle? What if we took the rectangle and just did that? Just divide it in half like this. We get 2 triangles. So we can sort of derive the area for a triangle by just taking the area of a rectangle and dividing it by 2. So one of these triangles, triangle area, draw a triangle right there, is equal to the area of the rectangle, W times L, divided by 2. Divide in half. So yeah. And this only works because our triangle has what's known as a right angle, where these lines are like a plus, right? We call it perpendicular. If the triangle was like this, it would still work, but you need to make sure that you get the actual height of the triangle and the actual base here. As in, we can't use this line to get the height. It has to be this line that's you know, like forming a plus with like the base. And then we multiply h times b divided by 2 to get the rectangle, and then remember we divide by 2 to get the triangle. So now we can relate that to this problem. We get 6, plug in, our base is 11, and our height is 6. Now I know I put width here, but we can replace this with b and h, base and height. The letters are fine. So the base is 11. It's like our rectangle is like it's like this. Width and length. So it's 6 times 11 divided by 2. Do the math. 6 times 11 is 66. Divided by 2 is 33. And then we always gotta make sure, because I know these tests like to take points off for that, centimeters squared, because we multiply cm times cm. And I could do another video talking about that. That's confusing. That's our answer. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. But yeah, let me know if there's any questions, anything I can do to teach better. I do want to improve as a tutor. So, yeah.